kids! Today we're going to learn about eating and a bunch of different kinds of yummy foods using this cool feeding toy. Look, it's our friend Beanie Boo. Beanie Boo is hungry and it's time for him to eat lunch. Let's see what's on today's menu. We need to make sure Beanie Boo eats a well-balanced diet so he stays healthy. To do that, he'll need to eat a little bit from a few different food groups. Our first group of foods are our main dishes. Some people call these entrees. This means they're the biggest part of your meal. Let's see what we got. This food is an egg. It's mostly white on the outside with a yellow yolk on the inside. This food is a pizza. A pizza is a large flat bread that you can top with things like cheese, meat, or veggies. This food is a taco. A taco has something called a tortilla on the outside that you can stuff with things like meat, veggies, or cheese. Okay, our next group of foods are our vegetables. Let's check them out. This vegetable is broccoli. Broccoli is green and kind of looks like little trees. This vegetable is corn. Corn is yellow and it has a green stalk on the outside. You can eat it on the cob or you can take it off. That's called corn off the cob. This vegetable is a carrot. Carrots are long and orange with a little green top. And this vegetable is called an avocado. Avocados are green and mushy and have a big brown pit in the middle. Our third group of foods are fruits. Let's see what we have. This fruit is called a banana. Bananas are yellow and long and they have a peel on the outside. This fruit is called a pear. Pears can be a few different colors, but this one is green. This fruit is called an orange, and the color of an orange is, you guessed it, orange. And this fruit is called a lemon. Lemons have yellow peels, and this one has a little green leaf at the top. Last but not least, we have our sweets. Bimi Boo loves to eat dessert. Let's see what he has to choose from. This sweet is called a peppermint. It's got swirls of red and white. These sweets are called gumballs. Gumballs can come in all different colors. The ones you see here are pink, blue, and purple. And this sweet right here is called a donut. The donut is round and has pink frosting with rainbow sprinkles. Time to eat! All right, Bimi Boo, what would you like to eat for your main dish? Okay, Bimi Boo says he wants to eat the taco. Which of these foods is the taco? Yeah, right here. Here's our taco. Tacos are really yummy because you can put whatever you like in them. And we can use this spoon to feed it to Bimi Boo. Time to eat up, Bimi Boo. All right, let's see what food Bimi Boo wants to eat next. Okay, Bimi Boo, it's time to eat your vegetables. This time, instead of just one food, I think we should pick two. So which two would you like to eat? All right, Bimi Boo says he wants to eat the avocado and the carrot. Do you see where the avocado and the carrot are? here they are. Here's our avocado. I like to mush up avocado and make guacamole. And here's our carrot. They say carrots are good for your eyes. Here's your avocado, Bimi Boo.
Yum yum.
And here's your carrot. All right, time to move on to our fruits. All right, here are our fruits. And just like we did with our vegetables, I think Bimi Boo should eat 2. Which 2 fruits would you like to eat, Bimi Boo? Bimi Boo said he wants to eat the banana and the orange. Can you show me which 2 fruits are the banana and the orange? Is this one the banana? No, that one's not the banana. Guess we'll have to try again. Yeah, it's right here in the front. And the orange is over here. Here's our banana. Bananas are fun to mush up and make banana bread with. And here's our orange. Do you like to drink orange juice? Here's your banana, Bimi Boo. And here's that orange.
Yum yum.
All right, time to move on to our last food, our sweets. All right, here are our sweets. It's always nice to end our meal with something sweet. This is called dessert. All right, Bimi Boo, which of these foods would you like for dessert? Bimi Boo says he wants to eat the donut. Can you tell me which one of these is the donut? Yeah, it's this one right here in the middle. Great choice, Bimi Boo. That's what I would have picked too. Here's your donut, Bimi Boo.
Wow.
All right, we did it. We fed Bimi Boo his lunch. And we got to learn about some different foods. Thanks so much for playing with me. I hope you had fun. Try a new food today. I'll see you again next time. Bye!